friends, it's Miss Drywa. I hope you all had an amazing weekend. So this week for math will be our last week of multiplication. We're doing our 11 times table. You all did amazing with your 10 times table last week. So this will be just as easy. Once I explain to you a little trick, I'm going to show you it. But today we're going to stick with skip counting just like we've been doing. I think that helps us. So we'll do skip counting, which is also finding the multiples. We'll do that for 2 days. Then we'll do some actual multiplication, and then we get to move on to division. And we're almost at the end of our school year. And then we'll have summer school. So we're doing an amazing job, friends, and it's almost the end. Awesome job. Let's keep going. So let's get started. So skip counting to multiply. So remember we have our hundreds chart here. And you know, the same thing, friends. I just have to count. So this week we're learning about 11 times table. So in this case, I'm going to count to 11, or I could always just start with that number, right? Whatever number we're skip counting by, that's the number we start with. So I find my 11, here it is, and now I count on to find my next multiple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And what number did I land on, friends? 22. Awesome job. So now I keep going. I count another 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And what number did I land on here? Awesome. 33. Let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And what number did I land on here? 44. Awesome job. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 55. Now, friends, I'm noticing a pattern. I see 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. That's important. Keep that in mind because that's going to help us when we start multiplying. But I'm going to keep counting so we can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I'm going to move myself over here. Actually, let's go up in the corner where we're not bothered. There we go. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What number is this? 77. Great job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And what number is that? 88. Now can you make a guess? What do you think my next number is gonna be? I see 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8. And it's kind of going in a diagonal. Well, if you guessed 99, you were correct. Awesome job, friends. So, that's how we use a number chart to find our multiples of 11. So remember, friends, when we are skip counting by a number or we are finding the multiples for a number, we always start with that number. So this week we're focusing on 11, so we're going to start with the number 11. So I want everybody to say it with me. Remember, when you say it, hear it, see it, you're more likely to remember it. So let's keep going. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Let's do it one more time. Everyone say it with me. Ready? Let's go. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Awesome job, friends. We're going to stop there today because we're just going to focus on finding the multiples of 11. So you have a worksheet to complete. There is a reference chart for you to use. Please use it. It's there to help you. And then later in the week, we'll get into multiplying, and I'm sure you'll find it super easy. All right, friends, have a great day.